Andrei and Cosmin are gonna show us how to scale to 100 daily leads with cash on delivery and 100% ROI. Guys, let's do this.
Prova, prova. Ecco. Hi guys.
Hello.
Someone was like before I was speaking Italian. Now I'll try to switch in English. I hope I will like make it good. My name is Cosmin, like I said before. I'm the CEO of CSW Scale, team of media buying, network, and so many stuff. And here with me, I have one of my best team leader in my media buying team. And I let him introduce by himself.
Hello, everybody. My name is Andrei. I'm from Romania, and I started in this business like 3 years ago. In the first part as a media buyer, and now I'm leading the CSW Scale media buying team. My main focus in the company is to take people from zero with no experience and make them a top performer affiliate. As you can see behind me, these are 3 of our guys scaling their weekend and managing to get almost 5,000 leads in 4 days. But okay, who we are together?
We are like a network which was created by media buyers to media buyers, because first of all in 2018 I was starting like an affiliate and my journey started launching campaign alone, and after I understood like I have to create a community around me, because sometimes it's boring doing affiliate alone, and in general making money alone, it's boring. And to make it bigger, I start with the media buying team, and after we go with the network, just because like a team and like affiliates, we have some needs. Then sometimes it's difficult to be resolved by other networks, and this was the best choice for us to create and resolve all the problems what we have with other partners, let's say like this. Okay, well, how we arrived to the TikTok platform? As usual, when you are in a comfort zone, you never look for a solution for different stuff. You have to go out of the comfort zone to take new solution and to implement new solution. This was the reason a couple years ago we had really terrible moments with Facebook, and we decided, okay, we have to switch and to go to a new platform, and in this case was TikTok. When we start to approach and launch the first campaign was on the early beginning, when you have to like go in the Chrome browser in some way how to make them accept you and create an account on TikTok. And now I will let Andrei go to the technical part and try to explain to you to see some technical stuff, how to actually scale the campaign. What are, in our opinion, are the 4 pillars to make successful a campaign on TikTok in C.O.D. C.O.D. because it's particularly business, I would like to say, and for this you have to consider a couple stuff.
Okay, but you know, as a beginner, when you change your traffic source, it's normal to catch up with some problems. In cash delivery, the first problems that we got with TikTok was the low delivery rate, because the algorithm is really young, and you need to be really careful on how you optimize your campaigns and how you optimize your account. So we found 4 important pillars that helped us to scale safe and to actually make money with TikTok. The first pillar is the audience. The second one are the creatives. The third pillar is the product research. And the last one, it's a really special one. I like to call it the competition killer, not only the secret weapon, but I'm going to let it at the end of the presentation. So if you are looking for an easy way to find your customers on TikTok, you will need to manage every targeting option that TikTok made available for us. Knowing when to use it and how to use it can make the difference between actually making money or losing them. We started with data point targeting audience. It's an audience based on a previous customer list. Maybe you're running ads on Facebook or Google, so you will want to import all that data in your TikTok account. Making lookalike audiences on people that already been qualified can help you find better customers on TikTok on your niche. If you don't have a previous customer list, you can start by increasing your age targeting. As you can see behind me, by increasing to 35 plus, we decreased our cost per acquisition, but also we increased our approval rate by 20%. This is another account with the same option of targeting. The second pillar are the creatives. In affiliate, it's really hard to make original content because you don't have the product, you don't see the product, and you can't come with something new in the easiest way. So we found this tool, it's called Creatify, and can help you create original content by using AI. It has a lot of avatars, a lot of visual styles, and it really looks realistic. I'm going to show you a video, a winning video, made with this platform. Okay.
I think they should play it. I don't know.
Maybe the technical team can help us.
Ragazzi, questi pantaloni da bagno termosensibili sono stati di gran moda quest'anno in spiaggia. Quando entrano in contatto con l'acqua calda, cambiano miracolosamente colore. Un nuovo modo per distinguersi quest'estate. Inoltre, l'offerta estiva è già attiva e potete approfittare del 35%
Still
di
not
sconto.
working.
Okay, what they actually, like the guy says, actually they will show the product behind, okay, and the guy will talk in front of the video in a realistic, really realistic way. Usually it's difficult for that people what are not used with AI and this technology to make the difference between a real person and this one. And this was the really key for us in terms of lower the CPA.
Yeah, because in affiliate, all the affiliates, most of them, are going to internet. They are trying to find content that a lot of affiliates already used it. So it doesn't help your account, it doesn't help your conversion, it doesn't help your cost per acquisition. Now I'm going to let Cosmin to come with other recommendations.
Yeah, actually, a really good recommendation what I have, first of all, for myself and what I was testing is, for example, when you do C.O.D, cash on delivery, okay? The main problem, what you have is that the customer, when the product arrived to their door, accepted and pay. And this is one of the main problems in C.O.D. And of course, when we do TikTok, we know that it's still a young platform. It's still a question in terms of how is the quality, okay? Because we have so much experience on Facebook, we have so much experience on Google, and we know how the quality of the traffic is, and we can like make our numbers turn back, you know, like in terms of returns. But for example, on TikTok, I saw a lower quality. And what I actually do, for example, if I'm running campaign for a network or for my network, I would like to separate, even if we do brand, because we have our brand, even if we do Shopify, we like to completely cut TikTok like a source from other platforms, and all the income, what is coming from TikTok, to be really separated and go on end of the month and see what is actually your return on the TikTok traffic. Because usually what we do, we have a product, we launch it on TikTok, we launch it on Google, on Facebook, and on end of the month, probably we don't make so much profit. But you don't know if you lose too much, that lead was losing too much from TikTok or from Facebook. It's a general stuff. In this case, what we do, and it's work for us, is to completely separate the traffic source. And for example, if we have, like, for example, I don't know, an account on a network, to create a new account where I'm launching only stuff from TikTok. And in this way, I will be realistic with myself and with my numbers. And I will see something that after I can correct, or I can improve, I can modify, and all this stuff. Because otherwise, if you put everything together, you'll never know what actually go wrong, what to fix, and if probably you have to stop the traffic from TikTok, because sometimes there are offers that are not performing on TikTok, and you have to like switch or change something, or actually in some cases stop it. And now I want to come to my really best subject for me in general, because it's all about mindset. And I created this concept, I think almost 9 years, 10 years ago, when I started the journey and everything. And it's all about your attitude. It's all about your mindset. And it's difficult to explain mindset. And today I will try to make my example and how you can like use like the power of your mind. We do affiliate, and what does it mean affiliate? Making money, okay? But what is the purpose of doing affiliate? Just making money? When you make money in the beginning and you're coming from, for example, from a difficult situation in your life, and with affiliate you go in a really good situation in your life, okay? Like you change your economical situation, this is really good. You reach the goal, but after can be a problem with your motivation. After can be a problem with why I should do campaign every day, why I should do these numbers if I already have what I dreamed some times ago, you know? And actually what I understood worked for me is watch the affiliate marketing like my best investor in my life. What doesn't mean this? With the money what I make there, okay, I can create, and with the, not only with the money, but with the capacity what I have after learning doing a landing page, doing a campaign, doing a content, doing video, doing photo, doing all that stuff what you need to run a campaign affiliate, you can use all that skill and after transform it in something what can matter for you or can give you a bigger goal in your life. And for example, in our case, it's creating brand, okay? And of course, if you want to create a brand, you need a lot of energy, but you also need a lot of money, okay? And in terms of money, sometimes it's difficult for the people because maybe they don't find a good sponsor or maybe they don't know how to find a sponsor. And in this case, today I want to give you the best sponsor in your life and in your business. It is affiliate marketing. And it's something that make money. And that money, if you don't have a purpose and you don't have enough motivation, you can use to create a brand. You can use to put in a better way for you, let's say, something what can remain, because a campaign, I don't know if I will tell to my children, to my grandchildren, let's say, how I was doing my campaign in affiliate, but I think I will tell them how I build the product, how I build the brand, how I build something else, okay? And this, probably I will tell them, thanks of the affiliate, I was building this brand, and this is the reason, and this is the big motivation for us now. Take the money and use this sponsor to create something bigger than this, and this can, for me, transform this world of mindset in something what can be used.
Okay, by completing the 97%, will make easier to come back to the technical part, and we go to the third pillar, which is product research. TikTok, it's working on trends. If you get the trend, you get the client. If you get the trend, you get the attention. So we are using TikTok ad library to catch up with the trends, to see what's working now, and try to implement them in our brand, in our affiliate marketing campaigns. Don't try to download ads because it's not working and will not show any result. And the last pillar, which we call it the secret weapon, also the competition killer, it's the manual bid strategy. And I'm gonna let Cosmin to introduce you this kind of strategy.
Yeah, it's a strategy what was coming from Facebook, like 7 years ago when I started to do Facebook and I started to go from 0 to 1,000 leads a day, was actually thanks of this strategy, because it's really difficult putting, I don't know, from €100 campaign on your account and try to scale it because your campaign is working, you have the good results to do that, going from €100 budget, for example, to €1,000 budget. Because if you put and you change the budget and go for 1,000, probably in that day will work, or probably in the next day won't work. And this is really difficult, how you can manage your ad spending and try to keep the CPA stable and scalable at the same time. And with the bid manual, with the manual bid strategy, we find this opportunity because we, first of all, set a big budget, and this will tell to the algorithm of the Facebook that I don't have only €50 to catch only that part of the audience, but I have 50,000 euro to catch all the people here, okay? And after, I would say, but you will spend when I need, and when I see conversion coming to the website, thanks of the analytics, in terms of some particular stuff in the analytics, when you see enough people, and there are some rules there. It's a little bit too detailed and too complicated to explain now, but if someone interesting, we can talk after. But how I say, we set the budget, a big budget, because we want to say to the algorithm, like, we have big budget to cover big audience, and after we go with the bid. And in this case, here Andrei know better, because TikTok actually want to suggest your bid, but here what they actually do, follow the bid or no?
Our recommendation is to set the bid half of your payout. And what is doing this bid strategy, this cost cap? This cost cap, it's telling TikTok algorithm that we don't want to spend more than €6 for every conversion that we get. Okay, we set the big budget, but we don't want to spend that budget on something that is not working for us. So we need collaboration to be win-win. Also TikTok to win from us, but also us to win from TikTok. So we are telling to TikTok that we don't want to spend more than €6 on every conversion. And the recommendation is to set up the cost cap half of your payout. If you have 10 payout for every lead that you get, you set the cost cap to €5. And of course, the billing event will be accelerated because we are telling to TikTok that we have the money. We can tell him how much we can spend for every conversion, but we are also telling him that we want to spend that money as fast as we can. Because as Cosmin says, we want to catch the fish as fast as we can. So that's why we call it the competition killer, because we tell the algorithm that we are a big player, but we can play with the money that we are spending on TikTok in a more stable way.
And play really careful with the bid when you put 50,000 euro budget, because you can really go from 100 euro ad spend in 2, 3, 4, 5,000 euro in couple minutes if you are not careful. Especially when you set your goal, like if you by mistake make I don't know content view, okay, and not conversion, and you put 6 or 10 euro bid, they will spend you around like 5,000 per 10 minutes, something
like that.
We had some experience, and probably it's better to don't repeat for you. And if someone are interested in the platform and want to know more, there's the QR code. And thank you for your time at this time.
Thank you.